We have a challenge in the country, but in the globe. COVID-19 is real. We have lost so many lives. As we have been advised by our colleagues in the Ministry of Health and the professionals in that sector, if we are not very careful, we will suffer more losses. And we don't want to lose our people. I know that it is tough. So we have agreed with my colleagues in the security sector. We are going to do our best to enforce the measures. But this time, we have all agreed we will do so, first of all, from a very strong commonsensical point of view. And secondly, as always, we will do it as a family. So we are going to persuade our people to tusikizane tafadhali. I mean, it's not fun. We are police officers doing 3 shifts on the roadblocks, 8 hours at a row. It's not fun. Everyone is having challenges. So tubebeane misigo kidogo. Let us be understanding. And this is one time in our country when we have to move forward as a family.